Imperium believes that most of the WWE has lost their respect for the ring. They believe it falls to them to return honor to this industry.
Sounds noble when you say it like that, but it usually boils down to them annihilating anyone who they think isn't on their level. And for Imperium, that's literally everyone else.
True enough, Imperium has an exceptionally high opinion of themselves and aims to prove they're better than the rest by utterly destroying them in the ring.
I don't like anyone's chances against the Bloodline, though. When you think Bloodline, words like dominant, unbeatable, and brutal all jump to mind.
In some ways, you have to respect it. The way the Bloodline has been able to seize control of situations, anyone who says they're not intimidated going up against them is probably lying, especially to themselves. Hard punch. Okay, get loose. Have some fun.
And another one. Boom. Boom, and fights back. Oh! Looking to explore every inch of hell here now.
Oh! Oh, uppercut.
That'll knock you silly.
Oh, God.
Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Oh, good night.
Soaring. No idea where this one's heading. He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd.
Oh, no, he could be caught here. Bad spot for him.
Oh, my God. Super. And we have new tag team champions. What a moment.
Here are your winners, Gunther and Ludwig Kaiser, Imperium!
What an intense match we just witnessed.
Despite the win, I think this team is relieved.